Legitly, I'm still with the shit. I'm hot. Fly her across the country. I finished the show and I hop in it. I got me a milli. I did it legitly. I'm still with the shit. I'm hot. Fly her across the country. I finished the show and I hop in it. I got me a milli. I did it legitly. I'm still with the shit. I'm hot. Fly her across the country.
Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another Fortnite emote tutorial series. My name is Brandon Henschel. I am your dance professor, and I provide you guys with professional grade dance instruction. Now, the Go Mufasa Fortnite emote, it's a pretty easy emote, but let me help you do it even better. Let me break it down and give you all the real specific moves and steps and intricacies so you can really show this off and really do it in an awesome way. But before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. That way you get notified every time I go live or a new video is posted. And join me on my live streams. I have a free hip-hop class that's available to everybody. It's gonna be in the description box below. Check my Twitch channel for that. Okay, y'all ready to get started? Let's hit it. Okay, you guys, so this is how you do the Go Mufasa Fortnite emote. It's gonna look like this. Start with your legs open like this. And what's gonna happen is you're gonna come together on one, and you're gonna bring your left arm to your right shoulder just like that. Now check out these arms first, okay? Come together on one, you're gonna lift your forearm up, okay? So it's not a punch, it's a forearm that comes up. Your left one kind of punches, then it's your right arm, then it's your punch, forearm, punch, forearm, punch. You have 7 of those, okay? As soon as you come together on one, you have 7 of these all together. Just wanna make sure that the first arm is a forearm lift, and then it's a punch from your shoulder like that. So let's put those two things together. It looks like this. 7, 8. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Super easy, right? Now we get the feet, okay? What you're gonna do is you're gonna lift up your foot like this. After you come together, you're gonna lift up your foot and go boom, 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 boom. And again, you got 7 of those. You have a little bit of a hop, okay? When it comes together like that, you want to give a little hop when your leg comes up. So it's like and down, and down, and down, and down. So everything's going down and your feet are coming together. Put that with the arms, it looks like this. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Now from there, you're gonna jump onto your left leg and swing your arms on 8. So we're here like this, jump forward and go 8. Then you have 4 of these little swings, but there's something real specific I want you to do on the last one. Looks like this. So we ended here 7, you're gonna swing your arms 8, 1, 2, 3. Did you catch that? You have swing, 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 run forward. Get that forearm facing front, kind of like you're running forward, yeah? So again, it looks like this. Ready, go. This is 8, 1, 2, 3. The only other thing you want to make sure you do is just pick your leg up, okay? So every time you run onto it, you want that back leg to come up, and you want your body to kind of swing towards the leg that you're jumping on. Let's put both of those sections together now. From the top. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Run forward just like that. Now from here, you're gonna jump out 4. You're gonna go here, 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 here. So instead of just jumping and hopping like this back and forth, you're going towards the arm that's coming up, but you're gonna shuffle your feet. Boom, 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 boom. If we face the back and we go the correct direction, it looks like this. This is 4. You're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. The other thing is that when you throw these arms up, they're loose like that. So you want to think about throwing your elbow up first, and then your wrist is gonna come. Elbow and then your wrist. Elbow and then your wrist. You don't want to make it wavy, because that's not the idea here. The idea is just to be super loose and fun with it, yeah? So just kind of throw them up like that. Be loose and have fun. That's what it's all about. Okay, then it repeats from the top. So let's do it 2 times all together. Looks like this. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, jump 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8 to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's it, guys. That is how you do the Go Mufasa Fortnite emote. Let's put on some music. Let's do it with me and with the skin. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Legitly, I'm still with the shit. I'm hot. Fly her across the country. I finished the show and I hop in it. I got me a milli. I did it legitly. I'm still with the shit. I'm hot. Fly her across the country. I finished the show and I hop in it. I got me a milli. I did it legitly. I'm still with the shit. I'm hot. Fly her across the country.
Hey, there you go, guys. That is the Fortnite Go Mufasa emote. I hope you had fun doing that. If you have any other requests for Fortnite emotes, put them in the description box below. I will stick them on the list. We got a whole list going, so keep the recommendations coming so we can keep adding, and you never know when you might see it here. Have a great rest of the week. I will see you later. Peace.